Airports across the U.S. are busier than they have been at any other point in the pandemic. Travelers risking exposure to COVID in order to spend the holidays with loved ones.
My parents live.
Chris Schmidt is going to Seattle to see his parents.
I love them. I want to see them, but at the same time, I personally, I'd rather not go, but at the same time, I feel like I should go.
While fewer people are traveling this year compared to last year, tens of millions of Americans are still expected to get together by plane, train, or automobile.
On a normal holiday season, we may see more like 120 million Americans traveling, but this year it's going to be more like 84.5 million are going to travel.
Public health experts are begging Americans to reconsider, predicting a sharp spike in COVID cases if large gatherings are held.
That could be a pretty dark January if we don't adhere to these public health measures.
Good afternoon, everyone.
In his end-of-the-year speech, the president-elect urged Americans to follow his lead and cancel in-person celebrations.
Like we did over Thanksgiving, we all have to care enough for each other that we have to stay apart.
But time is a luxury not everyone has.
Sadly, I have a sister that is very sick. So maybe this is going to be the last time I'm going to see her.
Omar Jordan becomes emotional as he justifies his family trip home to Bolivia.
Family is important, and in this case, it's something more important than this pandemic.
The U.S. is in a brutal position as the holiday travel season picks up, averaging 2,600 new COVID deaths every day. It's easily the worst phase of the pandemic yet. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Washington.